So this is gonna be how I do my eyebrows. First, I take the end of my brow pencil, which is a spoolie. I'm just gonna brush through my brows, getting rid of any foundation and just brushing them in the direction that I want. Also, my eyebrows have a natural arch to them. They naturally grow in this shape, and I don't try and change it. That's like the most important thing. I think people try and change their natural shape of their eyebrow. Like mine is a very arched brow. I'm not trying to get this straight brow, or I'm just going with the natural flow of my brow hair. I'm not gonna change anything because that can make it look very unnatural. So once they're all brushed, I'm using Colourpop's eyebrow pencil in the shade Ash Brown. So I chose this color because I have a few highlights in my hair, and the ash brown doesn't make my eyebrows too dark. I like the ash brown color. So first, I am going to start at the tail end of my brow. I have some pretty bold natural brows to begin with, so I just kind of feather in a little darkening up and just fill in a little bit of empty spaces up into the brow arch right there. It doesn't take me long to fill in the tail. And then once I hit the arch, I am just going to fill in some spots, now redirecting up towards the arch, not down. And I like this brow pencil because each stroke isn't so pigmented, but there's definitely some pigment, but it's not like drawing on my eyebrows. And then I kind of go over the arch and round it out so nothing looks sharp like that. And then I kind of come up in here, and this is where I get very light-handed, because I do not like a dark inner brow hair. Like naturally your brow hairs disperse here, so I just really take it light here, and I don't even touch this area. I only go in down here and just fill in just a tad, just like that. See, barely touching, and that's it. That's all I really want filled in for that brow. So I'm gonna do the other brow. Once again, just touching in the tail here, dragging it down. I'm gonna pluck that extra hair. Just dragging it down. Light strokes up into my arch. That was filled in pretty quickly. So then I'm just gonna start up here in the arch and round it out. So I don't want any sharp angles. And then I'm just gonna take it and fill in some bald spots. And remember, I go very light up in here. So then I'm just gonna take it in and slowly, keeping it low, disperse a little color up in these brows. Disperse a little color up in here. And then I always like to go in here and just like, if I touch up in here, just to brush them like that. Next, I'm taking Revolution Pro Brow Gel. It's called Volume and Sculpt Ash Brown Brow Gel. This stuff is so good and it's so affordable. Like, it's just the perfect brow gel. The spoolie is so small and it just goes right through my brushes. It makes everything look so good. This was like on sale at Ulta and I was like, whatever, like I really want an ashtone brow gel, try it. And I'm obsessed, and it's just for the drugstore, for a drugstore product, it's super high quality. So now I'm just gonna take, this is ash brown, so it's a little bit lighter than my brow hairs, but like I said, I have highlights, so I just wanna keep it very natural. So then I just kind of start in the middle and I just brush my hair in the direction that I want. I like to brush these hairs up and keep them fluffy, and then brush these ones over towards my arch, and then brush them down like that. And then same thing on this side, starting in the middle, brushing up, and then down to these hairs, and then getting up in here and making them nice and fluffy. And brushing them